Hey, Chris Cap here. Welcome back to my page. Today I'm touring a home in Stoneybrook West in Winter Garden, just north of Disney and Windermere. We're going to take a tour of a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home and a little over 2,000 square feet, priced the lowest in the community, just a tad under $515,000. This community features tons of amenities. It's gated, golf course, all around $2,000 a year. The home is not a pool home, but it's got 2 floors, a newer air conditioner, screened-in porch with a gorgeous water view. Come follow me and stay tuned for a sneak peek of a house coming on the market soon in this neighborhood. See ya. So I'm at the front of the neighborhood at a possible new house coming on the market. Pool home in a cul-de-sac that we're gonna price aggressively for a quick sale. If you have any questions in this upcoming one or the 2-story one on the water, call Chris Cap. See ya.